on the fall too. Damn, that was a good one. Hold on. Slow us down. Fish on? Yeah? There you go. Oh, yeah. No way!
Oh, my mama.
No way!
Let's go.
No.
This is blasphemy. This is madness.
Hey! Wait, what?
That's how you do it, boy.
No way. Wait, do I have a fish? No. What the hell? Wow. Now I've never, damn, I've never seen that. 2 and 1. So they were schooled up right here. So it should be more. Clearly they're schooled up right here.